Yo-ho, Prof here. Let's take you on a little trip. Here's what we pull in this video. First up, level 1 battle styles. Then we have 2 Darkness Ablaze, and I picked up 2 XY evolutions at the hobby shop. Those will be last since they're the creme de la creme. I think some people put Hidden Fates up that high as well. I have not even opened a Hidden Fates, I don't think. Maybe? Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember. First up, battle styles. This is just the random extra one that I got at Walmart, and these 2 Darkness Ablaze are the random extra ones I got at Walmart the previous time, probably about a week prior. So we're just kind of putting those with the XY evolutions here, just so we have a bit more to put in a video here. Just some random boosters, essentially. Just to spice it up, so we don't just have 2 of them. And I don't know, I generally only get XY evolutions in packs or in 2 sets, if I get them as separate, at least. Alright, we got battle styles here. It's really fighting me. These are, by the way, the sleeved boosters, the one that have like the hang tag style. What do they call those? I just think it's kind of weird, but well, whatever. This one's a Tyranitar. Heck yeah. I'm a big fan of Tyranitar and his evolutions. Actually, some of the lower ones, more so. Okay, we got a greenback. If you guys are interested in any online cards, all you gotta do is hit me up over on Twitter at the Prophecyst. Let me know what video you watched and what pack you like, what online card or cards you want, and you'll get them. Be aware, you do have to follow me though, otherwise I can't DM you. A lot of people seem to oh, they can't DM me. Well, they're not following me and I'm not following them, so can't do that. It's not how Twitter works, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass. Whew, water. So actually, what we have right over there that we just opened up in a Battle Styles pack. We have a Seadra. That's kind of why I'm doing this one first as well. So I just did some battle styles, so I have a decent memory of what should be in here. That's a new one for me. Rapid Strike Scroll of Swirls, not Swirl Scrolls. Cacturn. Lickitung. Horsea. Mankey Single Strike. Mawile Single Strike. Formantis. And, oh, it's a good looking Marowak. Reverse Hollow Marowak. And a Vivillon. It's actually really well done art there, I think. Reminds me of Powerpuff Girls. That's the vibe I get from that. Let me know what you guys think. Is that Powerpuff Girls to you too? That's what I get from that. That's my rare non-hollow. I'm happy with a Marowak. Alright, next up, Darkness Ablaze. Got 2 of these guys. With these sleeved boosters here. He's been around for like a week or 2. I think that's Scent to Scorch on the front there. These are a little flattened and wide. Like it feels like there's excess film on the pack. Just cut my nails either today, might have been yesterday. Makes it a little harder to open these packs up. We got greenback here. One, two, three, 4. I'm gonna go fire. Just because it's Scent to Scorch. Grass. Probably my most common one. Familiar Bell. I don't know if I've pulled that before. It's been a while since I've done Darkness Blaze. Rose Tower. Steenie. Glaring Mr. Mime. Grimer. Clink. Skitty. That's actually pretty cool art. Pansage. Reverse Hollow Granbull. That's like the 3rd Reverse Hollow Granbull I have pulled. All different, by the way. All from different packs. Those other ones are all fairy type, though. And then we got Volcarona, like a Corona, but Vulcan, volcano. So Volcarona, I guess. From Larvesta. All right, pop that over there. A lot of Grand Bulls. Okay, we got Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze, another sleeved booster here. With, I don't know who that is off the top of my head. I mean, he almost looks like a human. Take a sniffy sniff. Oh, that's a freshie, yep. Okay, we got a white back. Hopefully that means good things with Darkness Ablaze. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting. Feeling fighting. Fire. Kind of close? Is that kind of close? Okay, I've done a lot of these actually. I think about Kabu, Simisage, Vanillish. Squoobit is just fatty right there, man. Shelmet, Panpour, Teddiursa, Rookidee. Oh, that's frickin' dope. 4 reverse hollow, Electrike, reverse hollow there. A lot of the maybe I'm just partial to electric Pokemon, but I feel like a lot of the electric Pokemon cards, even as reverse hollows, look good. That might look better as an actual hollow, but it's a common, so it's probably not gonna be the case. And then we have a Galarian Slowbro V. Let's take a little snap of that guy. Some good action there. And I don't think... Hold on. Is it the same as... Nope. Here. Same as this one? That's my V-Forces tin. So is that like a promo version of that card, essentially? Very interesting. Also, that means the Forces V might be Darkness Ablaze. I didn't know what it was when I ordered those. I'm probably actually, to be truthful, happier about the Electric than I am the Galarian Slowbro V, which is probably odd. Alright. And then next up we have 2 XY. Oh, I know why I've done a bunch of Darkness Ablaze, because they come with battle styles. Here's Darkness Ablaze. I don't know if you can see the icon down there. And then here is battle styles. Very similar icon. I think that's why they're putting them together, actually. Which I think is kind of funny if that's the case. Like, just interesting funny, not like haha funny. We got 2 XY evolutions coming up. I'm going to do Raichu first here. Alright, wish me luck, guys. This is why I started doing Pokemon. I get Pokemon pulls again right here. XY evolutions, the nostalgia. Oh, these are even thicker. You can hear them like. Oh yeah, that's a good pull right there. It's a tight package is what that is. Real tight. Green back. One, two, three. I don't remember if... Oh, yeah, these don't have energies, so it's definitely 3. Not that they don't have energies, but they don't have, like, your standard style of energies. Okay, Misty's Determination. Revive. Haunter. Doduo. Fat Pikachu. Original Fat Pikachu, mind you. Not the Gigantamax that I really want. Staryu. Onyx. Yeah, see, that's a much more standard Onyx there. Lots of HP. Not much damage, but a lot of, defense. Weedle. Ooh, Switch Reverse Hollow. What do you guys feel about that, huh? And then we have a Starmie, rare, non-hollow. These are a little bendy, which you'll see sometimes on the X and Y evolutions. Is getting old now, you know? Alright, and our last pack of the video is Venusaur X and Y evolutions. Oh, come on. That's my bad. Oh, it's definitely my bad. Come here. Fine. And we got a white back. Hoo. Alright, white back. XY evolutions. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Metapod. Classic. Apparently I just saw a tweet about this. All these backgrounds were all from the same stock photo place. And you can line them up exactly. They just stretched them from being square, I think, or 4x3 to being that size, and then blurred them. Very basic stuff. Switch and coughing, very classic coughing. Magnemite with the magnets in the correct direction, very classic. Seal, Charmander with him lighting the grass on fire. Diglett Dig, just a proud man in his hill. Diglett, one of my all-time favorites. Got a Drowsy. Always a cool background on that one, I thought. And then Magmar Reverse Hollow. I don't think I have this one yet, so that's good. And where's my phone? Oh, that's a good pull. I know it's not super fancy, but I'll take a hollow rare Mew. Looking good. Yeah, and that's 2016. And what does the pack say on it? They're just thicker. You can feel them. Yeah, I don't have Venusaur EX, Charizard EX. I think I have Mega Blastoise. I have Ninetales, I think. 2016, yep. So think about that. That is 5 years, going on 5 years old. So that might explain why cards might be a little bendy. That is a much thicker foil though on those packs. I can tell you that. I am pumped about this Mew pull. That away nice and safe and sound there. And let's go over what we pulled. Now I need to put away cards. Still during the week here, so hopefully on the weekend, especially when I start doing PC stuff here, guys, we gotta put some stuff away. Yeah. Most definitely need to put some stuff away. Alright, well, before the camera overheats again, which it's working on doing right now, Let's turn the top light off because I think you guys could actually get a better picture here. There we go. We got a reverse hollow Marowak from Battle Styles. We got a reverse hollow Grand Bull from Darkness Ablaze. We've got a reverse hollow Electrike from Darkness Ablaze that I think looks dope. And we have a Galarian Slowbro V, which this is the I think the other one's a promo version that comes in the tin. But looks like very similar, if not the same art. Then we have a reverse hollow Switch from X and Y Evolutions, and a reverse hollow Magmar from XY Evolutions, and probably the pull of all of this, the hollow rare Mew. Well guys, let me know. This is kind of just some random booster packs I had that I just kind of clumped together into a set for Pokemon polls here tonight. Let me know how you think we did and which one of these would you have down below. And you know, take a peek at a couple videos ago. I would have had a Poke haul to see what's coming up next. I think it's some tins. You should see quite a few in there that will be coming up. Some are actually from the UK. So hit that subscribe button, hit notify, and if you you'll want to make sure you're checking stuff out, follow us on either Twitter or Instagram at TechExchangeThe, because I post as soon as videos go live. We'll hopefully see you in upcoming videos. You have a good one.